Cut 2 pieces of cardboard the same size. Today I am using gold decorative gift wrap. Tape the 2 pieces of cardboard together, then cover with the gift wrap. Place the mirror in the center of an additional piece of cardboard, take the measurement, then cut the cardboard as shown in this video. Add gold glitter tape around the center and randomly on the cardboard to create a pattern. Since I was out of glitter tape, the plain gold tape was used instead to finish the design. Using hot glue, add glitter around the plain gold tape. Cut and stick the baking cups right around the cardboard. Trim off the portion of the cardboard not covered with tape or baking cups. Stick the decorative piece of cardboard on top the cardboard covered with gift wrap. Attach the mirror in the center of the cardboard. And just like that, you can create a beautiful budget-friendly wall mirror decor. If you like this DIY, put a double heart emoji in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed this budget-friendly decorative wall mirror decor. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, share this video with a friend, and until next time, elevate your space, not your spending.